so welcome back to my channel. Alright, my name is AJ, Business Development Manager at TradingPRO. So, today I want to show you how to change your leverage from lower leverage to the highest leverage at TradingPRO. Let's go.
Alright, so the first thing what you need to do is you need to have an account at TradingPRO. If you still don't have an account, you can go to my profile, click link at my bio and choose TradingPRO link to register. Okay, so after complete the verification, go to your dashboard and go to account tab here. Okay, so the first thing is you need to choose open live account, and you will see here there is a column for you to choose your account. So at TradingPRO we have 4 type of account, which is micro account, pro account, rookie account and scalper account. So for example, if you want to choose scalper account, you can choose on MT5 and then there is a leverage here. If you want to know, at TradingPRO we provide you a leverage start from 100 up to 2000. So 2000 is really high and it's really good to all traders. So after choose this leverage, you can click continue to proceed to create your account. Alright, so next, after create your account, you will see your account has been successfully created, and you will see here there is a login ID, server, leverage 1 to 1000, password, inverted password and currency. So for the password, I recommend you to change it to your password so you will have easier access to your trading account. Alright,
So thank you so much for the watching. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel, turn on the notification, or if you want to trade at TradingPRO, you can click link at my bio and register today. Alright, so if you have any question, you can DM me directly. Goodbye. See you at the next video.